So I did a thing. What is up, everyone? This is Jojo the Techie, and I did something unexpected for someone that you have come to know as an Android and Chromebook user. Yes, that's right. I am double dipping in mobile ecosystems, and I am running both Android and iOS these days. So now, to be fair, the iPhone I got for work purposes because, as you know, I am a mobile tech journalist, and it just wasn't the best practice to write articles about features that I haven't tried myself. So, this is why I mainly stayed away from writing iPhone articles, but that really hindered my job, and we couldn't have that. So, the iPhone I've had now for almost 2 months, and it's been interesting using two phones on the daily. But then I got to thinking, would it be possible to use an iPad as my main computer and thus get the Apple ecosystem experience? I do use an M2 MacBook Air every day. In fact, this year I attended several tech events where I carry the MacBook with me. But then in one of those trips, I came back with extreme back pain, and it was the trip where I decided that I was going to travel with nothing but a backpack, and I truly paid for it. I truly paid for the price afterwards. So this coming year, I want to travel as light as possible because as light as the MacBooks are, this new M4 iPad Pro is lighter and easier to travel with. So here I am with an M4 iPad Pro added to the mix. I have been running this iPad as a main computer experiment for about a week now, and so far, it's been going great. I have managed to transfer all my day-to-day tasks that I did on the MacBook over to my iPad, except streaming. That I still use my MacBook for, but we'll see how that goes. So, just so you know, this isn't the first time that I get myself involved in an experiment like this. I enjoy and I welcome the challenge. I actually ran this same iPad as a desktop experiment back in 2015, and then I wrote about it in Medium. I still have the post up, and I'll actually put a link to it down in the description just in case you're curious what my thought process was back then. But then I transitioned to Chromebooks and ended up doing the same thing, turning a Chromebook into a desktop replacement. Both times I've been successful, and I know this isn't for everyone. Some people may have daily workflows that an iPad just can't complete, and that's totally okay. But this girl right here, though, as a writer and a content creator, and someone who enjoys the challenge and seeing it through, will continue this experiment for about a month before I decide if I truly want to make the switch permanent. So what this means for me as a creator, and you as, hopefully, my subscribers, is that I will be making more content that is centered around iPadOS and iOS. And of course, Android and Chrome OS. So this is all for now. Stay tuned for all that new content that I have planned to make, and I'll see you in the next one.